So you wanna be like a cubehead? In this video I will give you some tips and tricks to be like a cubehead. Subscribe and like so you may know this editing and shooting like a cubehead is not an easy thing. So I will tell you some of the basic things that help you to be like a cubehead. So the first one is to take quality videos. So you may already heard it and doesn't know how to do it. Let me just teach you. So if you're going to be shooting a video in your phone, you can go to the resolution and change it to 1080p. So 1080p, you might be thinking that's not equal to cubehead. If you compare it with 720p to 1080p, it has a huge difference. But you need to be exactly like a cubehead, shoot in 4K. But 1080p is pretty good though. And if you're on a camera and you want to be like exactly like a cubehead, just go to the highest settings that your camera offers. And let's move on to the next one. The next one is editable. So you definitely know this but don't know how to edit. So before editing you might be thinking I will edit like cubehead for 14 hours or for 3 days, whatever like that. But turns out at the end you just edited this for 30 minutes. So you need to be like separating some few parts. Like if a video is 10 minutes long, separate that to 1 minute. So in a day you need to edit the 1 minute that you separated from the 10 minutes. By this you can get less minutes but you can do more editing. If you have less seconds of video you can edit that very well. So play around and look what's your editing software features and do your best. And the third one is color gradable. So you might be new it but some people might not. But color grading can just give you an awesome and fantastic and fabulous output to your videos. So color grading will. I would prefer to turn the saturation and the contrast to the right, but it depends on your video. The fourth one is a very hard one as you might know. It is to have craziest cubing content. It's so hard to find some crazy contents. So what you want to do is go to any internet or YouTube and find which is popular nowadays. But it doesn't tell you to copy the same thing and do. Instead, just think something different and something crazy clipped, just do that. And the fifth and last one is to have fun. Because editing can make you so much anger, but you should control it and be fun and be creative. But this may not be useful for you. It's really hard to edit and shoot like cubehead, but try your best and make your own style. That's what I prefer. Don't copy any cubehead or any other YouTubers that you like. Instead, make your own style. And thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.